हेलो गाइस, धनंजय हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू अ न्यू वीडियो जिसमें हम लोग बात करेंगे Mi Band 6 के बारे में. सो आई हैव द बॉक्स हियर. दिस डिवाइस इज लॉन्चिंग राइट नाउ एज आई एम शूटिंग द वीडियो. सो विल अनबॉक्स द डिवाइस एंड वी आल्सो हैव couple of bands. So let's see what we get inside the bands first. These are the bands of Mi Band 6 actually. But over here it's written 5 Mi Band 5 strap, which means that Mi Band 6 supports Mi Band 5 strap. So if you are planning to upgrade from, let's say, Mi Band 5 to Mi Band 6, then you can use all your straps. And the strap material looks like the regular Mi Band 5, because this is actually, oh wait, that was actually a Mi Band 5 strap. We also have this maroon color strap. Yeah, let's leave that, and now it's time to unbox the main thing. That's the Mi Band 6. So this year Xiaomi has gone with a much bigger screen, and finally we have almost 50% increase when it comes to display size. But when it comes to the overall size of the Mi Band, it has not increased, which is a good thing. So it does not feel like a watch, because it is not a watch, it's like a band. We also have charger, and there is something which I want to talk about the charger after using so many other bands as well. So this is the charger. Now the good thing about this charger is that it attaches automatically because it's magnetic, and another good thing is that I have seen other bands using charging methods where you have to remove the strap, but इसमें आपको strap नहीं remove करना पड़ता. I mean, it's not that difficult, but if you keep removing the strap every other week charging के लिए, then after a year or 2 years the strap is going to become loose. But whereas with Mi Bands, that's not really going to happen. When it comes to the strap, I feel it's similar to Mi Band 5 strap. It is not too strong and it is not too soft as well. It's perfect combination in my opinion. And we have some normal manuals in the box that I'm not going to unbox right now. And another fun fact, when you start charging the Mi Band 6, this is how the timing is going to look, because obviously it falls flat on the table and it really looks different. 1.56 inches of crisp and clear full AMOLED screen on this device. SpO2 monitoring, 30 workout modes, whether those are necessary or not we'll figure out. Stress monitoring, reliable sleep recording, menstrual cycle data tracking for all women, and magnetic charging, which we talked about already. So the Mi Band 6 is updating the software, updating firmware, as you can see. Mi Band 6 is finally ready. Custom watch face भी मैंने set कर दिया, software update किया, everything is done. And as you can see, when it comes to the touch screen, touch is very responsive. Obviously it is not as smooth as some of the watches at, let's say, 10,000 rupees price point, but at this particular price point I have no complaints. सबसे बड़ा plus point in my opinion is going to be the display. The display is actually very big and completely touch screen है, so it means that everything is very easy to use as well. Let's assume I want to set alarm. I can set alarm for 8 a.m. Yes, I can do that. Plus करके I can add more alarms as well. I can go back like this. Music controls are here. We have weather here. अभी as the display is big, बहुत सारी information एक साथ दिखती है. Tomorrow shower होने वाला है, मतलब shower करना पड़ेगा मुझे कल. Then do we have something? Yeah, okay. So only 3 things are there right now. I can obviously customize it. Let me show you how you can customize your watch face. Let's go to store. Select one of the watch faces that you want. Let's say I want this particular watch face. I can change the color of the text that is there. I can select manually जो color. भाई इतने ज़्यादा option है इसमें. But I personally liked white only, so I'll go back. Okay. I liked white only. Custom background, gallery. I'll select the NFT which I bought recently. So select this. I can change angle as well. Oh, that's cool. So I'll select this. And the syncing procedure is also pretty quick. It takes about 10-15 seconds to sync everything. As you can see, 50% done. I guess it's going to be less than 15 seconds for this particular video. It's going to be almost 10 seconds. I did not cut any of the parts since I clicked on the sync button. Okay, so about 15 seconds. I was right actually. So this is how the watch face looks now. I can customize this completely according to my need. If I go into band settings, there is an option of band lock, which was also present on Mi Band 5, by the way. There are multiple other settings which are available. Now when we go into okay, I'll have to show it to you over here. In the workout mode, there is outdoor, treadmill, walking, cycling, indoor cycling, rowing machine, elliptical, pool swimming, yoga, jump, freestyle. मोर में जाऊंगा तो there are 30 modes which can be recorded now. And Mi Band 5 say, if you ask me what are the upgrades, then 30 sport activities is one of the upgrades. Now is it really an upgrade? Because these 30 sports activities is an upgrade from Mi Band 5. But Mi Band 5 में जो activities already आप कर पाते थे, I feel like that was more than enough. You do not really need to have rowing activity. मतलब I feel like people who are watching this video, एक या दो बंदे में भी रोइंग करेंगे with Mi Band 6 जहाँ पे they want to track रोइंग कैसा चल रहा है, या फिर swimming pools have been shut for almost 2 years now. I have no idea when they are going to start. So when it comes to sports mode, it's nice to have them. If you use them, then that's very good. But Mi Band 5 sports mode activities are more than enough. Now, why am I suddenly comparing Mi Band 6 with Mi Band 5? Then that's because of the pricing. I just came to know the pricing. So Mi Band 6 is priced at 3,500 rupees. Mi Band 5 was priced at 2,500 rupees. Now in the market there are a lot of bands from other brands which are also priced competitively less as compared to Mi Band 6, and the overall sentiment around Mi Band 6 is that the band should have been priced at 3,000 rupees. And even I feel that considering Mi Band 5 से Mi Band 6 में major upgrade I feel is the display, which is huge upgrade in my opinion. But 500 rupees for bigger display should have been fine in my opinion. 3,500 seems like a little bit steep pricing, because this is Xiaomi India, who is known for having very competitive pricing. So I feel like Mi Band 5 is a very good deal as well if you are not into having a bigger display. But if you ask me, if I had to choose between Mi Band 5 and Mi Band 6 without looking at the pricing, Mi Band 6 will be my preference any day. Not just that, even if you consider the pricing, I would say Mi Band 6 is little bit more worth it because of the bigger display. You can see all these things very clearly on the Mi Band 6 as compared to Mi Band 5, because of the bigger display. Because let's assume you are running and you want to look at the display, then this bigger display will help you look at the stats very easily as compared to Mi Band 5. But overall, when it comes to build quality as well, Mi Band 6 is similar to Mi Band 5. Now let's do some heart rate measurement and SpO2 measurement against a real SpO2 measurement sensor maybe. Okay, so यहाँ से open होता है, sorry. So let's start with SpO2 monitoring. I am going to keep it on my hand. So the final rating is, my SpO2 measurement is 99 and PR is 87. PR, okay. 99 is the SpO2 rating basically on the dedicated oximeter. And on the Mi Band 6, I guess it's going to be 94%. अगर मुझे 94 यहाँ पे देखता तो I would have been like भाई कुछ करता हूँ. But as you can see, SpO2 sensor measurement is not something which you should trust on Mi Band 6 or any other gadget for that matter. Even on the OnePlus watch, which is about 15,000 rupees, I would not recommend you to trust the SpO2 rating. I would any day recommend you to buy a dedicated oximeter just in case if you're wondering that. But it's definitely good to have that handy sometimes if you want to just check whether SpO2 sensor is going up or down. Sleep cycle is here. Now you can track your sleep measurement, and that can be enabled from the app itself. Now in the sleep department, we have assisted sleep monitoring, which increases the heart rate measurement frequency when it detects that you are sleeping. And there is also sleep breathing quality monitoring, but it's currently in beta. Obviously these are some things which you should definitely enable अगर आप पहनते हो सोते टाइम, because बैटरी लेगा लेकिन it will give you some sort of insight. You can figure out कब आप deep sleep में थे and क्या था कैसा था. That's a fun thing to have. I definitely would enable this if I'm wearing this while sleeping. All day stress monitoring can be enabled as well. It will measure your stress, मतलब heart rate measure करेगा सब, मतलब बहुत सारा data रहता है. I'm not really sure what it measures exactly, but there are a lot of things which are included in that, breathing, heart rate and other stuff, because of which it will come to know whether you are stressed or not. Don't be stressed in life. जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, ऐसे बिलीव करो और आगे बढ़ते रहो. This is what I'll say. And I guess that's pretty much it for the Mi Band 6 video. These are some of the new things which are available with the Mi Band 6. Now, should you go for Mi Band 6 or should you go for Mi Band 5? I already answered that question. If price is something that you are worrying about, then Mi Band 5 is going to be more than enough. But you are looking for latest and greatest and you need a big display like this one, then Mi Band 6 is going to be my recommendation. There is still no always on display by default on the Mi Band 6. I guess that's something which I can leave definitely. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon so that you get notified next time I upload a video like this one. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.